Hello everyone, this is Omkar Deshpande. Welcome you back for the business study classes. So we have started with the fourth topic, that is business services. In that we have covered the various concepts. In today's class we are going to study about the one more kind of a services, that is communication services. As a business, it provides the various kinds of a services to the businessmen. If you see the various kinds of services one by one, we have learned in the detail. Okay, in today's class we are going to learn, or we are going to study about the communication services. Which are those communication services are there for which a business today they are managing successfully the transactions. So before that, let's understand what is this communication services. Now, what is this communication? Communication means communicating from one person to another person, exchanging the words, exchanging the views from one person to another person. Now that it is brought through an electronical media, through help of electronical media, telephonically. Now telephonically, which is also the conventions will be taking places. Okay, now when it comes to communication services, there are various service providers are there who are providing these kind of services. Now communication services are helpful to the business for establishing links between the outside world, especially this communication service which will helpful for a businessman to build a link between outside people to increase the business. This is one of the way where they can easily communicate, easily they can bring the link between outside world. Like for example, suppliers, customers, competitors. If you see nowadays Amazon, Flipkart and many things, when it comes to the particular business, if whenever they will get the orders, the fulfilling the order, each and every matters for that communication services are playing a very important role. They are making the use of these services to increase the businesses, to expand the businesses. Okay, now let's understand what are those kinds of services are there when it comes to the communication services. Now generally, if you understand, communication service helps the business concerned to exchange the information with others. Now let's see the first services, what kind of a services provide. The first one is the postal services. If you see the postal services, I hope you people have saw the post offices. What exactly in post offices the people does, how they communicate the things. So these all the things which you people have know about the post offices. So now we'll study the detail about what are these postal services are there. Indian Post and Telegraph Department provides the various postal services across India. For providing these services, the whole country has been divided into 22 postal circles. These circles manage the day-to-day functioning of various head post office, sub post office and branches post office. Through their regional and divisional legal arrangement, the various facilities provided by postal department are broadly categorized. Now first let us understand this, what is this postal services. Now Indian Postal Department provide the various kinds of post services across the India. Okay, now these are having 22 postal circles. In that they have divided into some sub post offices, regional, divisional. So through that they start communicating and they started providing the services to the people. If we understand the details about it, let it broadly classified into first category, that is financial facility. As a postal service, the first thing they are going to provide the financial facilities. Now financial facilities, these facilities are provided through post office saving scheme. Like if you see like how bank will provide the saving scheme, the same similarly even post office they provide these services like saving schemes, like public provident fund, even PPF is there, public provident fund, even that facilities will be given. Kisan Vikas Parishad, that services will be given. National saving certificate, where it allows you to save the amount on that, services will be provided. In addition to the normal retail banking functioning of monthly income schemes, like how banking provides the services, similar kind of services even postal services provide through their financial facilities like income schemes, recurring deposit which we call it as a RD, and savings account. They will allow you to save the amount and deposit in a post office. For that they will pay the interest, time deposit and money order facilities. So these are the facilities what generally bank provide, the similar kind of services which is provided by the postal office through their financial facilities. With the help of this, what happened, it becomes easy for the businessman to manage the activity and to overcome the financial difficulties with the help of the following services which is provided by the post offices. Now let us understand the second one, that is mail facilities. If we come to mail facilities, mail services consist of parcel facilities, that is transmission of article from one place to another, registration facility to provide security of transmitted articles, and insurance facility to provide insurance cover for all risk in the course of transmission by post. Even this is a one kind of a facility. Even you see about the courier services, all these similar kind of a services even post office will provide, like mail facilities. So here what happened, the whatever parcels are there from one place to another place, it will be distributed, it will be taken away from one place to another place, and similar kind of a many services like insurance services will be there to minimize all your risk. So these kind of additional services, what happened, it will be provided. So with the help of this, what happened, whatever the goods transmissions are there, that will become a easy and easily way movement will take place from one place to another place. Now other facilities, after that the third one is the other facilities. It provide other services such as greeting cards. I hope that you people know about greeting cards, and media post, small posts is there that will be sent from one place to another place, that facility will be given. Direct post is a direct advertising, international money transfer, passport facilities, speed post, e-bill post, etc. So like that similar kind of a services which will be provided, where advertisement facilities will be given, international money transfer will be taking place from one country to another country, and passport facility, the passport making which will be done in the post offices, speed post which will be given, again you people know, and e-bill payment. Nowadays e-bill payment will be done, like electronical bill payment, like water bill, phone bill, various kinds of bills are there which is going to be paid through post offices. So these are the facilities which is going to be provided by the postal. So this is what about communications, that to communicate the services for a businessman, these are the kinds of services which will be provided. Now in second category, let's study the various types of telecom services. The first was regarding the postal services, then second we'll study about the telecom services. Now what is this telecom services? If you understand the telecom services, nowadays these telecom services has become very famous and very ruling all the places. Now what is this? Telecommunication services which helps the economical and social development of the country and helps in doing the business across the continent are called as the telecom services, through telephonically or through other way means of the services which will be provided. Let's understand one by one. See the first one, circular mobile services. I hope that mobile services you people know about it, you people use the mobile. So what is the use of it? It becomes helpful for us to communicate from one place to another place, to send the messages, to send the important files. So these are the things which will be helpful for us. These are the all types of mobile telecom services, including voice, that what we speak about, and non-voice messages which we send, data services they are going to provide, and PCO services, utilizing any type of network equipment within their services areas, through from one person to another person through the various means which they can communicate it. So this is one of the services which is provided. And second one, fixed line services. I hope you know about landline phones. In your house might be there, or you saw any offices or any other institution where they use the landline phone. Now that is called the fixed line services, where it is kept in a fixed place. The line fixed wire is fixed at particular place. From there only they start communicating it out, and at one place only it is been kept, and still it is been followed in many institutions. So there are all types of fixed services, including voice and non-voice message and data services, to establish the linkage for a long distance traffic. Through from a long distance traffic also the communication can be done it. And third one is a cable services. If you see the cable services, they are linkage and switched services within the licensed area of operation to operate media services which are entertainment related to services. Now if you see the cable services, through the cable services, through television we see the advertisement, we hear the news, so many other different kinds of things which we will be able to understand it out. So this is one of the services which is provided. With the help of this we will able to know about the different kinds of a product, we'll able to know what all the things are going on in the nation. So everything that can be understood with the help of this cable services, and also for entertainment purpose, which we every day we see the television. So like that what happened ki cable service is one of the services which is comes under the telecom services. So the next is VSAT services. Now what is this VSAT services? Very small aperture terminal. It's a satellite based communication services. Nowadays satellite based communication services will be taking place through satellites. We can see many kind of things. So like that through satellites only now operating activity business activities will be taking place. So it offer business and government agency a highly flexible and reliable communication solution both in urban and rural areas. Rates and education even in the most remote area of our country. Now if you see the VSAT satellite system, through satellite system in the rural areas, through that the networks will be cached, and through that televisions will be saw, and through satellite base now we can watch the movies. So like that what happened, the many different things are there which through satellites which we are doing it out. So with the help of this what happened, rural area, urban area, all the areas they try to cover it till the remote area, what all things are there. Through that they want to conduct all kinds of services, they provide all kinds of services. Nowadays tele educations are there through in a rural area also, which we can communicate it, which we can go for a live classes, which we can understand the things are there. So presently what online classes are going on, which we have understood about how from wherever areas are there, but everyone can listen towards the classes. So like that what happened, VSAT services are the modern kind of a services are there which will be provided, and it helps for each and every sector to develop it out. It's a satellite based communication services. It provide the innovative services such as if you see telemedicine, through medicine which in related information we get, newspaper, online, market rates, and education system. So even in the most remote area also, which we will able to understand, which will able to come to know about the details about it. Okay, so this is what about a VSAT services. But apart from that, one more services which was introduced in that is DTH services. That DTH means direct to home. It is also a satellite based media services provided by Circular company. They provide the broadcasts of multiple channels through DTH services also, which we see the TV, television, which we hear the news. So like that what happened, many other different kinds of services which will be provided. Through that we'll able to understand as a businessman, they all are providing the services. That services providing itself through done by the businesses. Okay, so I hope you have cleared about it. Okay, thank you.